Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Taking one more look here at Bitcoin this weekend, just kind of peeking at the price action, the back-end liquidation data. Going to make it quick, but simply put, we're still working ourselves into a bullish flag pattern. The likelihood of breakout to the upside is still a little bit higher, but honestly, this range is not really phenomenal. Okay, it's tough to trade, as well as the fact that altcoins are kind of like not sure what they want to do either. So the best practice this weekend, I would say, is just to take it easy, go touch some grass, spend time with your family. I'm only just covering this because it is my usual on a weekend, but I'm not really planning to do any trading at this point. Just waiting for specific levels to be hit that haven't been hit yet. All that being said, back end here, 109 is that standard local area of liquidation there in the last 7 days. It is starting to intensify though. If we take a look here from a macro perspective, there's heavier concentrations coming in at 109. So bigger picture, a squeeze up to 109 still makes a lot of sense. That's I'm still leaning more towards that. Another reason why that's relevant is because we have liquidation long delta still maintaining itself about 12 to 14 billion right here on average. That's quite a lot. Basically implying there's a lot of longs in the market, a lot more people buying these dips, and essentially more likelihood of breaking upwards. We got open interest heavy at 106, but most specifically at 107.3. It's really close to where the price is at right now. So taking a look here at the daily, quickly to note, still bullish in the overall sense. Don't misinterpret that word. It doesn't mean we're just going to go straight up, but it does imply that we're above a lot of moving averages, converging. Most everything minus stochastic starting to top out is looking quite positive. Okay, so these are all mostly good signs here. Other than that, 4-hour time frame, roughly the same as yesterday. Hasn't changed too much. We're still kind of testing the 20-day SMA. I don't care too much about that guy just because we have a lot of other confirming factors. In other words, Confluence, if you're not familiar, is just kind of heavy in the 105K range. We got our point of control, we got our moving averages in lower time frames, and we're over 50 on the RSI. So these are all favorable signs, kind of implying that the price shouldn't go down too much lower. If it does, once more, 105K is that area I'm considering a long position. So it's either 105K for a long, as a rough estimate, or maybe a short around 109, 110. That's kind of the consensus here. But between now and then, probably best to be patient and we look here. Altcoins, there's select altcoins that are doing well today, but I'm just a little concerned with the overall Bitcoin dominance situation here. So until that starts to subside, we're going to be in a funky place. So no trade is the best trade, folks. I hope that makes sense. I described it correctly. I'm always going to try to shoot you straight and let you know, the realistic nature of what you should do in these situations. I'm never going to sugarcoat it. So hope you found benefit, and thanks again for being an amazing part of my life. Join us over at Bitunix too, folks. Links down below for that. Take advantage of this deposit reward bonus. Awesome stuff there. And then obviously join us over on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. We'll look forward to seeing the next one though. Thanks so much for your time. Take care out there.